This is an exhaust leak and I'm gonna fix it today. Hopefully, I'm gonna try. I currently gotta take this off and then this off and then pow, this comes off, and then in the middle right there, the gasket will pow, it'll come down, because as y'all can see, the gasket is all black and crumbling, and it's not good. Okay, gonna be using these Velcro gaskets that I got from Advanced, and then this I'm gonna be using this also. I don't know what it does, but apparently it's good. It's like glue to make sure it seals correctly. This is the broken one, so that's the only one I gotta fix. But then if it's easy, I just might do both of them. Here's what I'll be using: as a 9x16 and another 9x16. I don't know if this is the way you're supposed to do it, but this is all I have, so I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna set y'all right here, so I'm gonna just shut up and y'all can see what I do. Okay. Fuck it, I'm gonna just start off with this one. Okay, that's not working. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Which way do I turn it? Oh my gosh. It's so fucking hard. What the fuck? Look, is it on? Are you fucking on? This is the work. Oh my gosh. This is not very cash money. Fuck. So you know what? I don't know. There we go. I got it now. Fuck. Which way is left? I'll turn it off really quick. Fuck. Shit. Where's the camera? I'm gonna try something new. Put this right there. And then with this one, I'm gonna hold it on the other side and I'm gonna just keep it still. Oh gosh. Am I pushing it the right way? What's this? Okay, I figured it out. So apparently you gotta have this set over here. I was doing it the wrong way. Look. Look at it. So easy. I was doing it the wrong way. That was all. So I'm gonna get this taken off now and I'll be back. This is so easy. Okay, so now that we got them loose, we can just take it out with our fingers, you know, just very easy, very. Look. This one's a bit rusted. Fuck. Where's my wrench? Is it a wrench? Is this? I don't know. What the fuck is this called? Wrench. I'm gonna call it a wrench. Oh fuck, it came off. Now we. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Shit's like science. Whoa. One down. Oh my gosh. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? I don't know if y'all are seeing it. I don't know if it's focusing. Is it? Fuck. I don't know. It better be focusing. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see how bad this is? Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Fuck. Oh my gosh. Does it go this way? I don't know. It's like, which way faces which way? I'm gonna look it up and I'll be back. Y'all, they lied to me. This is not. It's not the same. It's not the same fit. So I'm gonna have to. I don't know. I'm gonna try to make it work. I'm gonna line it up here and then. I don't know, but I'm gonna make it work. I think this might work. I don't know. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. But it looks pretty the same. Matched up that hole and that hole. Let me go try it out. So I tightened it down pretty tight, but not too tight. And now I'm gonna wait about an hour, and then I'm gonna come back and super tighten it. Okay, that's the engine. Now I gotta let it there for 1 day, like at least 1 day, to make sure it sets properly. And then over here, I'm not gonna do this one because I don't know, because I cut myself over there. I cut myself, so I am handicapped right now. So I'm not gonna do that one today. I'll do it in a few months whenever it goes bad. So it's been 24 hours now, so I'm gonna do a cold start and then go check to see if it's fixed. So that's the one I fixed yesterday, and right now I just confirmed it by turning on the car and it has no more leaks. Well, then I noticed this one up here. Y'all see that? This one's leaking from the top. I didn't know, so I gotta replace this one too, but I'm not gonna film it because it's the same thing as the other side, but over here. and that time it worked. I did it right. So I'm just gonna do the same thing over here, and that's it. Good job me, and good job you if any of y'all follow this video to fix yours. And I gotta go now. Okay, bye bye.